Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of what craft projects for your home and turn wood craft to income. In today's fast-moving marketplace, demand shifts quickly, trends evolve constantly, and buyers are more selective than ever. Yet one thing remains consistent. People value well-designed, functional, and beautifully finished wooden products. Wood carries warmth, authenticity, and a sense of permanence that mass-produced plastics simply cannot replicate. That emotional connection is what creates demand, and demand is what generates profit. High-demand wooden designs are not random creations. They are projects carefully aligned with lifestyle needs, space limitations, decor trends, and buying psychology. When you understand what sells fast and why it sells, you stop guessing. Instead of building what you personally like, you begin building what the market actively searches for. In this video, we explore wooden designs that consistently attract buyers, move quickly, and create reliable income opportunities. More importantly, we uncover why these pieces succeed, so you can replicate the strategy and build steady profit from your workshop. One of the strongest high-demand categories today is minimalist wall-mounted furniture. Floating shelves, wall desks, compact entryway organizers, and mounted nightstands are extremely popular, especially in urban homes where space is limited. These designs combine functionality with visual simplicity. Straight lines, neutral finishes, and clean mounting systems create a modern look that appeals to a wide audience. Floating shelves, in particular, sell fast because they are affordable, versatile, and easy to install. Customers use them in kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. By offering different sizes and wood finishes, you can multiply your product variations without changing the core design. When production becomes efficient, profit margins improve significantly. Another fast-selling design is the modern coffee table with simple geometry. Low rectangular tables with hidden storage, round center tables with sturdy bases, or nested table sets that slide under one another are always in demand. Buyers look for pieces that combine aesthetics and practicality. A coffee table that includes a lift-top storage compartment instantly increases its perceived value. Bedside tables and compact nightstands are also high-demand products. Many customers prefer natural wood tones for bedrooms because they create warmth and comfort. A clean two-drawer nightstand with smooth finishing can sell quickly when photographed in a well-styled bedroom setting. Matching pairs often increase order value, doubling your profit from a single client. Let us move into the kitchen category, one of the most consistent income generators. Wooden cutting boards, serving trays, charcuterie boards, and utensil holders remain top sellers year-round. The reason is simple. They are practical gifts and daily use items. When crafted with hardwood and food-safe finishes, these pieces appear premium and durable. Offering engraved personalization further increases demand, especially during holiday seasons. Wooden storage benches and shoe racks are another strong opportunity. Entryway organization is a constant concern for homeowners. A sturdy wooden bench with lower storage compartments provides both seating and functionality. When designed with modern lines and neutral finishes, it blends easily with many decor styles, making it attractive to a broad customer base. In the workspace category, wooden desk organizers and monitor stands are increasingly popular. As remote work continues to grow, people invest in improving their home offices. A well-designed monitor riser with storage space underneath creates better ergonomics and organization. These pieces require relatively simple construction but command premium prices due to their perceived productivity benefits. Children's furniture also represents a profitable niche. Montessori-inspired wooden shelves, toy storage units, and small reading benches are highly sought after by parents who prefer natural materials. Safety, smooth finishing, and rounded edges become your priority. These thoughtful design details build trust and justify higher pricing. Decorative wall art made from wood is another fast-moving category. Geometric wood panels, layered wall patterns, and framed wooden quotes offer artistic appeal without requiring complex joinery. The key to selling these pieces is staying aligned with interior design trends. Earth tones, natural finishes, and subtle patterns tend to perform well. Now consider outdoor wooden designs. Compact garden planters, balcony tables, and patio stools are seasonal but profitable. Urban residents with limited outdoor space appreciate small yet functional wooden pieces. Using weather-resistant finishes increases durability and customer satisfaction, leading to repeat sales. Pet furniture has also become a growing market. Wooden dog beds, feeding stations with raised bowls, and stylish cat houses combine design with practicality. Pet owners increasingly treat animals as family members and are willing to invest in aesthetically pleasing products that match their home decor. A major factor behind fast-selling wooden designs is modularity. Customers love products that adapt to changing needs. Stackable storage boxes, adjustable shelving systems, and expandable desks allow flexibility. When you design with modular concepts in mind, you create repeat purchase potential. Speed of production influences profit directly. Designs that require fewer complex joints and less intricate carving allow faster output. Efficient production lowers labor time per unit, increasing overall income. High demand combined with production efficiency creates strong profit potential. Finishing quality cannot be ignored. Smooth sanding, consistent stain application, and protective coatings elevate even simple designs into premium products. Customers often judge craftsmanship by the surface feel and edge precision. Attention to these details builds reputation and encourages referrals. Photography and presentation dramatically affect sales speed. A wooden bench photographed in a bright, organized hallway with decorative plants communicates lifestyle value. High-demand products sell faster when buyers can imagine them inside their own homes. Another profitable approach is creating bundles. For example, offering a matching set of desk organizer, monitor stand, and small bookshelf encourages customers to purchase more items at once. Bundles increase average order value without requiring entirely new designs. Customization also increases demand. Offering size adjustments or color variations makes your product adaptable to different spaces. However, balance customization with production efficiency to avoid slowing down workflow. Understanding pricing psychology is essential. High-demand items do not need to be the cheapest. Instead, they must communicate value. When customers see durability, thoughtful design, and professional finishing, they accept higher pricing. High-demand wooden designs that sell fast and generate profit are not accidental successes. They are the result of observing market needs, refining simple construction techniques, and presenting products professionally. When you align craftsmanship with demand, your workshop becomes more than a creative space. It becomes a reliable source of income. Start with practical, modern designs that solve real problems. Focus on finishing quality, efficient production, and consistent marketing. Build collections, offer thoughtful customization, and always maintain high standards. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, Every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.